morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Southern Yankee Beauty. I thought it was time for an unboxing. We've done a lot of eye looks recently. There's more coming. Hint, hint. I have a fun one for you today. I made an order with Beautypie. Right? Beauty. Does it say pie on it? It says pie on this side. Anyway, this is an exclusive beauty club for those of you that want the high-end stuff. A lot of this stuff comes from Germany, from Italy, Paris, all over, where some of the best brands are made, but they don't have the markup. I have a hair and it's like on my lip. Did I get it? Okay. They don't have the markup that you're seeing because of all the fancy packaging and name brands and stuff. So you're getting name brand quality at a very, very small fraction of the price when you're a club member. And if you use my link today, you guys will get your first month for free. There are different membership levels. You can choose what one works best for you. Your first month will be free. That also gives me 10% off of my next order, I believe. I don't remember. So anyway, I figured I'd open this and let's explore. I think I have a mix in here of beauty, like makeup stuff, as well as some skincare. I can't really remember though. So let's check it out. All right. It says, happiness is Beautypie. Our mission is to deliver absolute best in beauty, nonstop at prices so amazing. Even a splurge is a steal. It's eco-friendly inks, cruelty-free, clean beauty, recycled board. Okay. So, and I got all that. All right, so when you open it up, it's all wrapped up. In fact, not only is, let me just show you how they do this. Every item that I purchased is individually wrapped. I mean, they take the time with it. Well, it's in bundles. It's not every single item. Some of the small ones are wrapped up in each one of these, I think. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, let's start with the big one. This is Uber Youth Neck and Chest Super Lift Serum Spray with niacinamide, Ideal Lift, Ogleologeline, and Kilologine. I don't know. Anyway, there we go, Uber Youth. I heard good things about this. This was recommended. This was also like the thing that was back in stock because everybody had been purchasing it. So this is for those of us that are getting the turkey neck, that are starting to get loose skin on your chest and neck. It's a lifting spray, so very excited to use it because, I mean, shoot, how easy, just rub it in and you're good to go. So that's something I'll have to get back with you guys on and let you know when I start using it, or maybe you'll see results and ask me. But that is, I'm going to try. I'll get an update to you guys on that one because I'm going to use that. And then I got a shadow brush. I wanted to try Beautypie's brushes. I might have one, and I don't know if I liked it or not because I have so many brushes that I think it just got lost in the fray. So I wanted to order one of their blending brushes and try it out and see what I think about this. So here it is. It's almost kind of like a packer blending brush. Ooh, it's nice and soft though. And it says Pro Perfect Eyeshadow Base brush. So you can kind of pack the shadow on, you could tap it in the corner and then buff it out. This also, you can come underneath here. Really, really feels good. Feels good. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm trying to keep the dogs quiet. It's right around dinner time when all the cars are coming home and they bark at the cars. All right, I got a Wonder Color Cream Shadow Stick, made in Italy. What color is this? Copperini. I think this is for your eyes. See if I can get it open. All these I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to throw the packaging out. Yes, okay, so this is a Copperini shadow stick. And let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, that's pretty. Really beautiful. Can you see that beautiful shine, my friends? Really pretty. What I'm curious about these sticks is if they, when they lay down, if they blend easy or if they're really hard to blend, because they may be easier to blend on somebody with tight eyes, but I am over 40, closer to 50, and sometimes on our eyes the skin's too loose for shadow sticks, so I want to play with them and see if I like it. Then we got a Pro Gel Eyeliner Ultra Color. I don't know what color this one is in. Almost just dropped it. I think it's just black. Stargazer. So maybe it's like a gray. Hold on. Won't open. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's pretty. It's not, it's like a charcoaly and it's got a little sheen to it. I don't think it's going to show here on camera, but ooh, and it's really nice. So there's what it looks like. I think I'm going to like that too. Okay. Then I got a lip liner in the color Sexy Berry. So here is the lip, man, they come on there. So same thing, you can see how it looks like, and we'll do this one right here. Ooh, I like that color. That's gonna be a great lip color for a lot of the type of looks that I wear on my lips. And then I got another lip liner. These have a 6-month shelf life. This looks like more of a nude, or let's see, vanilla nude. Vanilla nude is the color. Let's do it next to this one so you can see the difference. Yep, that one's a little lighter. Definitely. That's another one I'm going to use the heck out of. I really like their liners. That's something that I already know. So those were like almost like reorders for me because I've used all of that stuff before, except these are all different colors. Next up, friends, I got Super Healthy Skin Ultimate Anti-Aging Cream with plant bioactives and hyaluronic acid. So see, it doesn't come with like fancy packaging, but you're going to really like the product. You're going to know that this product works and it's high end. Glass bottles still, even considering they're saving money on packaging. Really beautiful glass bottles. Something that I've been using a lot of. Oh, I must have pulled it over. I thought I had it right here. Shoot, I have these like little capsules that you like take one out and it's a moisturizing capsule you put on your skin, and it's got ceramides and all kinds of good stuff for your skin, and I love, love, love it. When I'm done, those will be a repurchase. So, but this is their moisturizer for anti-aging, and I need a good new moisturizer for my face. I've been looking for one actually recently. All right, so whoops, just dropped a lipstick. This is their Future Lipstick Luxe Shine, and I've got it in the color Dusky Rose. I also have tried their lipsticks before. I just got a new color, and I think this one might be like a balm consistency. Yeah, it's almost like it'll look really beautiful. Look at that with those two liners. Really pretty. They look like they were made to go together. Maybe that's why I got them. I don't remember. And then what are these? These are deluxe eyeshadow quads. Okay, so these were like kind of in the category of high end. They are Beautypie and James Malloy, and they are made in Italy. So these guys are limited edition. These are like premium limited edition. Get them while you can get them. And okay, don't need that. This is James Molly 002 quad. Oh, so beautiful. So high end. They remind me very much of Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so here is the front. Doesn't that look like a Charlotte Tilbury, except that the shadows have a beautiful texture imprint, like a tweed imprint on it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I can't wait to play with those. I'm not going to swatch that or this one right now because I'm going to save those for a video, and I'll probably use one quad on each eye, and I'm going to have to get photos for Instagram and stuff that are not touched. So this one is 003. I don't remember how many of these there are. Oh, this is the neutral one. I can't wait to play with these actually. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. There we go. Okay, so This is a beautiful neutral, and you know, it's got the nice mirror. This would be a really nice set to take to travel because it's really all you need if you're going away for just a couple of days. It's got everything in here to create a look. I mean, even if I took both of these, either way, I love both of them. I'm so excited about that. All right, guys, so that's all I got in my Beautypie this month. You save so much money. I mean, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. I think I've saved thousands of dollars on makeup through going through Beautypie, and there's really nothing that I've tried so far. Well, no, that's not true. I didn't like the foundation that I picked up from them. It was the wrong color. I'm going to try it again with a better color for myself. But that's the only product so far that I've tried that I really just didn't like and it just wasn't good for me. But the rest of the products that I have tried through this company, like I said, it's a big discount, but it's for exclusive members only. It's like a VIP beauty club. Everything else in here has been wonderful, and I've really thoroughly enjoyed their items, and I've loved getting them at a discount. Also, really great way to get some gifts for your family members that they will be completely impressed by, and they'll see the high end and where it's made and how the product works, and you pay a fraction of that price. So not sponsored in any way, it's just something I'm using and doing, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more beauty over here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.